Want to know what you can get in West Midtown Atlanta for under $800,000? Well, we're here at 1770 Plymouth Road Northwest, and we're going to show you.
Welcome to Married in Real Estate. I'm Matthew Dahlke.
And I'm Karen Dahlke. We have a top-performing real estate team in Atlanta. Today, we're going to give you a tour of our latest listing here in West Midtown, which is kind of an artisan, trendy area of Atlanta.
And when you're buying a home, remember, you're not just buying the home, you're buying into a lifestyle and a neighborhood and amenities. And guess what? This lifestyle here is amazing. And there's an excellent shopping center just right around the corner called The Works, where you can go enjoy meals, shop, and guess what? They even have a dog park so you can bring your four-legged friends with you. And plus you have premier restaurants such as Marcel, Optimus, Superica, and those are just to name a few.
Another great thing about West Midtown is this is a mecca for all things textiles, design, architecture, all the stuff you need to furnish and accessorize your home. One of our favorite stores in West Midtown is called West Side Market. Lots of furniture, accessories, decor. We personally come to West Midtown anytime we want to shop for our home or decor.
And as we mentioned, The Works, right across from that is Topgolf. So you've got places to go to have all sorts of activities. And not to mention, we're only about 10 minutes from the Battery, which is the Braves Stadium, and you have a bunch of shopping, restaurants, literally just right down the road from here. And all you Georgia Tech fans, we're only about 10 minutes away from the campus.
There are fun, quirky things about this area too. For example, the Goat Farm Art Center. It's home to lots of festivals and concerts and events. There's also Westside Park at Bellwood Quarry. It's a great place for walking, riding bikes. Eventually it's going to tie into the Beltline, which is Atlanta's multi-use path system.
Now that we've told you about all these really cool things in the area, we're excited to tell you about the house. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, ranch style, which again, everyone loves a ranch. It's just under 2,400 square feet.
And it was built in 1953.
But it was completely renovated in 2018, and then the rest of it just within the last year. And guess what? It's on half an acre. Almost impossible to find in Atlanta. It's tucked back away from the road. It's private. We are so excited to show you the house. So Karen, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go take a look.
Welcome to the interior of this home that was built in the 1950s.
But as you're gonna see as we walk you through, it's been completely renovated in 2018. You're gonna love it.
What I love is that the owners have kept some of the original charm from the 1940s. For example, this beautiful fireplace, it was hidden behind some drywall when they bought it, kept that as part of the home, but yet you're gonna have lots of modern touches too.
And just when you walk into the home, you're gonna see the dining room just to the right of the door. Lots of natural light. You look out and just kind of see a little bit of nature, and it opens to the kitchen, which of course is most people's favorite part. And as I mentioned, the home was redone in 2018. You're gonna see the most beautiful kitchen. This truly is a multi-million-dollar kitchen. We're gonna start double ovens. As I always say, like for Thanksgiving, holidays, we have buyers that always want a double oven. Well, guess what? We've got double ovens. And again, you're gonna see Carrara marble countertops. These are very expensive and always beautiful to have in a house. You rarely see these, a really cool feature, the cabinet microwave. So it's hidden, it's nice, it's there, and it's very functional. And right next to the microwave, we have the refrigerator, and I've got good news. Everyone always argues about the refrigerator. It's staying, and it is KitchenAid, and it does match the KitchenAid dishwasher as well, so you're set. And right around the corner, we have the farm sink, which you're gonna enjoy while you're doing the dishes. We don't always enjoy that, but at least you've got a beautiful view while you're doing it. And these are all soft close custom cabinets, as something you'd expect to have in a house like this. Again, I always get excited about this 36-inch cooktop with a griddle. Let's come over, let's have some breakfast. We've got you covered. Not to mention this designer backsplash. The last thing I love about this kitchen, pendant lights, beautiful. And again, we love this openness, so you can kind of just imagine sitting here hanging out, having a cookie. Everyone can hang out here. You've got the dining room, living room, all in this open space. And now, again, right off of the kitchen, we have the living room. What you're probably going to notice is just all the natural light in this house. This is truly one of the brightest homes I've been in. It's bright, white, airy. You've got surround sound, can lights everywhere. And again, just another great place to hang out after a long day and just sit and kind of enjoy, put a movie on, listen to the surround sound, and look out at your backyard, which is just all nature and very private. And wrapping up the living room area, we've got one more final spot here, a cozy little living room area. You've got kind of family room, living room area, so multi-function, really cool custom wallpaper. I love the design and style in this house, board and batten. Just again, it works and it's just beautiful. And you've got the cozy fireplace we mentioned again as we first came in.
And in leaving the main living area, we're gonna walk back here down the main hall where we have 3 bedrooms on this side of the house, plus 2 full baths. And we're gonna head into the first of the secondary bedrooms. Lots of natural light, a lot of space in this room. This is a queen size bed, so plenty of space and lots of natural light. And I love this fun summery wallpaper that's in here, just a nice feature. And then we also have an open closet system that is convertible. You can leave it open, you could add doors, you could make it however you want. And right outside of this secondary bedroom, we have the bathroom. This is a custom bathroom. It's almost all tile from floor to ceiling. And stepping into the shower, everybody loves a rain shower. Nice feature in the home. Large mirror. Sometimes these secondary bathrooms in these older homes can be a bit small. This one has tons of space so you can store all of your items, get ready in here with no problem. Exiting the bathroom to the left, let's take a look at the additional rooms. Join me in the next secondary bedroom. It's a nice cozy space. Right now it's being used as a child's nursery. However, this would be a great home office. It could be a workout room. Lots of people working from home, so this is a great space for that. What's even more interesting about this room is that you have a nice walk-in closet. Plenty of space for all your things. And leaving the nursery, we have the owner suite just right down the hall, right next door. And this is a great space. What a large owner suite we have with a nice sitting area too. Perfect for reading or enjoying some TV. In the owner suite, we have a king size bed and there's still plenty of room. So whether you're a queen or a king, everything's gonna fit in here. Another detail in the owner suite that I absolutely love is additional storage. You have this built-in center here where you can store clothes and all your goodies, and that comes with the house. This is really awesome because you can sit in the seating area, sit in bed, lay in bed, get cozy, and watch a movie. And in the owner suite, let's take a look at the spa bath. You're gonna love it.
Hi, I'm just taking a bath.
Well, since you're so cozy and you're already here, I'll let you take it and show them the spa bath.
All right. As you can see, I am about 6 foot tall. I fit in here, no problem. Look at this custom tile work that was done. You've got this beautiful octagon tile all around here, Carrara marble countertops, custom cabinets, the same ones that were in the kitchen, so the same high-end finishes you're gonna see. Double vanities. I know being married myself, like that's a must-have, having them separate, right? So you've got that world here, which is great. So you're getting ready, your significant other's getting ready, it works perfect. And again, I feel like this never goes out of style, but the subway white tile is just timeless, it's beautiful. The same octagon tile you're gonna find around the tub, we also have in the shower. So again, this is a beautiful area, seamless shower glass. And then even the wallpaper, I love what the homeowner has done with this wallpaper. It's very unique, very neat. We've got the floating shelves as well. And then again, another kind of thing that's important no one really talks about, you've got to have a water closet, right? You've got to have your privacy in there. We've got you covered. And then you also have a huge walk-in closet as well.
Now we're on the other side of the home where we have the second owner's suite. Honey, this would be amazing when our parents come to stay. How cool would it be for them to have their own place?
Yeah, we need a room like this. Can maybe we make this happen? You're always putting your parents or your guests in this small, awful room, but guess what? We have you covered. 2 owner suites.
The second owner suite has its own walk-in closet. This part of the home was just finished within the last year. Now let's take a look at the additional bathroom. The third bathroom in the home, this is attached to the second owner suite. This was just completed within the last year. Take a look at the beautiful vanity with marble top. We have the subway tile with a contrasting grout. We have built-in shelving here for all the storage. If you have guests stay on this side of the home, they're gonna be totally comfortable in this space. As we leave the second owner suite, we walk into the multifunctional utility room. What I love about this space is they've kept some of the original charm, just like with the fireplace out front. These are original cabinets. They've turned this into a really cool drink station. You could also use this as a folding table for your laundry that's right here. We also have the pantry right next to the kitchen. A lot of older homes do not have this space. What we love about this is a major selling point. You have everything. You can even, who did we run into here?
Oh, hey guys, I'm just catching up on some emails here. As we can see, we have a second office, which is awesome. I feel like even all these big, beautiful homes have tiny, tiny, tiny laundries, right? But this is a huge laundry.
Also in the laundry room, we have this awesome drop zone. So shoes, groceries, when you come in from outside, you have all your things. You're just gonna drop them right here.
And every house has to have a screened-in porch. Oh, hey, sweetheart.
Hi.
I mean, this house just keeps going. I feel like we keep running into each other.
What a great space.
It is. Couldn't you picture being out here and just enjoying like after work and weekends and entertaining and staying away from all the Georgia bugs? On this side, we have a carport, and on the other side, we have the rest of our backyard. As you can see, the owners made this a nice backyard oasis. Hang out here in the summertime with your friends. We've got surround sound. And in the winter, you could have a nice little fire pit here. And again, enjoy nature. It's all fenced in. I don't see any houses. We don't ever find that in Atlanta. And you have a lot of grass here, which is really nice. We have a lot of options with this house. What I think would be great is you could put a beautiful pool in here. So we have our pool, we have our little hangout area. If you're a gardener, we could do a bunch of raised garden beds, grow our own vegetables, do flowers, and we have storage. So again, something hard to find in Atlanta is having additional storage, and we've got a lot of it here. Now that we've showed you this absolutely beautiful home, we're gonna tell you what our favorite parts were. Sweetheart, what was your favorite part?
I love the kitchen in this home. It's really kind of the center of the home. It's where everybody hangs out. The huge Carrara marble island, I love that. I also like the 36-inch range, which you only see kind of at higher end homes. So at this price point, that's really a great feature. Also in the kitchen, I love that microwave drawer. That's fun. So like kids, they can kind of make their own snacks and stuff for movie night. That's really cool.
And when you make all those Thanksgiving dinners, you've got a double oven.
So I loved the kitchen. What was your favorite part?
You know, that's so hard because I love everything about this house. But for me, probably, I would say the lot, the half an acre, privacy, the backyard would be my selling feature, is just because it's so private. You're out there, you're hanging out, you're entertaining, and it is, again, so hard to find in Atlanta.
And to be in the Upper West Side in Atlanta and have this kind of space is really unique.
It is, agreed. And if you want to come see this beautiful home, make sure to comment below or call us, and we'll set you up to see this beautiful home.
If you want to see more real estate videos like this, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And comment, what is your favorite part of the house?
And as you can see, we love making these videos, so please let us know what you'd like to see in the future. And remember, every move counts.
What am I saying, Flo?
We can't wait. Do you want to sit?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Now that you've seen the whole home.
See? He does this all the time.
I got it.
I know what to say.
And then pump it up. Are you gonna look excited about it? I'm bringing it. Don't cover my face.
Okay.
What? You wanted to jump in.
I was gonna say something funny.
Okay.
From the campus.
From the campus.
Atlanta's multi-youth pass this.
No, what's that shape? There's a word for it. Hi. I'm just taking a bath. Jackets,
All the
grocery
things.
bags.
All the things.
All the
No
things.
things.
No
No
things.
things.
Okay. All your things, you're just gonna drop them right here. I said things.
That's all right. As we can see, there are I know, he flew like right there. I was like...
And to be in West Side, is this West Side?